App cloning on the Samsung Galaxy S25 allows you to use two independent copies of an app on the same phone, and these copies won't be linked to each other in any way. So, to clone applications, you need to open settings from your home screen or either from the control panel. Now scroll down to the advanced features section, tap on that, scroll all the way down until you see dual messenger. And now just activate an application that supports dual messenger mode, for example, Facebook. Tap on install. Second copy of Facebook installed. You can uninstall this copy as well. Now let's go back to home screen, swipe up from the bottom. Now this is your second copy of Facebook with the small icon of over here. You can use two Facebooks now. If your application doesn't support dual messenger, you can also try secure folder. Open settings once again. Go back. And now go to security and privacy. Security and privacy. Scroll down until you see more security settings. Tap on that. Find secure folder. Tap continue. Continue once again. Create in secure folder. Just wait for a while. Now set pattern, pin or password for your secure folder. Let it be pin. Just simple for this time. Use anyway. Allow lock screen reset with Samsung account. If you forget how to unlock secure folder, you will be able to reset your PIN, pattern, or password using your Samsung account. I recommend you to allow this feature. Now tap on next. And now you can add applications to your secure folder. If you can't add the application to secure folder, it means your application cannot be cloned. And that's pretty it, guys. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and be awesome.